welcome once again to Chef Mooney, coming to you from Mooney's Kitchen. Today I'm going to do a chili beef or a chili curry recipe. I guess it's not a traditional curry, it's just my version of a spicy beef dish. I hope you enjoy it. Let's get cooking. Okay guys, to make this beef curry you're going to need about 800 grams of stewing steak, and I've just cut it up quite thick, quite chunky. My vegetables are 3 large carrots diced, 1 large onion diced, 2 sticks of celery and 3 cloves of garlic. I'm leaving them all quite chunky. I'm also going to use some tomato, crushed tomato. I've got, that's a 210 gram tin of crushed tomato, 165 mils of coconut milk and a good tablespoon of organic coconut oil. My spices today is 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 10 cardamom pods. I've got some saffron there, and these are all 2 teaspoons each. Saffron, cumin, ground ginger, smoked paprika, and then last but not least I'm putting some chili in there, about a teaspoon of chili. I'm also going to use 1 cinnamon stick. That's all our ingredients. Let's get the pressure cooker on and we can start frying off the meat. I'm going to drop in that coconut oil. Okay, it's starting to smoke a little bit. Get our meat in. We're going to dump all the spices in, all together. That should take about a minute or 2. Get all my vegetables in. Add your crushed tomato, followed by the coconut cream. Give it a good mix around. Touch of salt, cracked black pepper. So get your lid on, make sure that your valve is going to pop up. Once that valve pops up, you know that the pressure cooker is up to pressure. You've got to cook this now for about 35 to 40 minutes. Just let it tick away nicely and it should be nice and tender. If you feel that you need a little bit more, then you just have to put it on for another 5 or 10. There you go, that's my chili beef. It looks really, really good. Would be nice with a bit of natural yogurt, some Greek yogurt on there, just to soften those textures and balances of the heat. Cool it down a little bit, or some raita, cucumber raita or something that just be lovely with some naan bread. Thanks guys for watching my channel. Until my next recipe, have yourselves a fantastic week. Stay safe. Don't forget to wash your hands, and I will see you on my next video. Take care.